Start with 4 cloves of garlic, one medium Spanish onion, 60 grams of celery, $80 grams of baby corn, $50 grams of carrots, $200 grams of snow peas. Just peel them, pinch the top and the bottom, peel out the strings like so. 240 grams of frozen shrimp, half teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of regular oil. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 30 ml of water. Stir well until all the cornstarch has dissolved. Set it aside. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a medium heat pan. In with our ginger. Lightly brown the ginger. Once the ginger is brown like so, you can discard the ginger. In with our marinated prawns. Sear the prawns for about a minute on each side and then turn it over. Once the prawns is about 80% cooked, set it aside. 2 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. In with our onions. The rest of our garlic. In with the carrots and the rest of the vegetables. Keep stirring for about 40 seconds. In with our snow peas. Splash of Shaoxing wine. Splash water. Lid on for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, remove the lid. Add in a pinch of sugar. Pinch of salt. Back in with our king prawns. Restir our sauce. And in with the sauce that we made earlier. Keep stirring. Once the sauce is thickened, we are done.